We welcome on stage our esteemed chief guest, Professor Sanjay Dande, Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad, and Dr. Sunil Karad, students, parents of graduating students, staff, and the faculty.
My dear young graduates, today marks an important day in our lives and significant milestone in your design journey. Having joined this institution facing immense competition some years ago, you pursued your academic work with great dedication. It is indeed a moment of pride for us and you as much, faculty and staff, parents, and all those who have played a significant part in shaping your life so far. Now, I'll quickly take you through the accomplishments that both our students and faculties have done, and we'll start with the faculty first. Dr. Milind Doble, for achieving his doctorate on his thesis titled Restyling of Corporate Identity Subject to Changing Market Strategy. Assistant Professor Sandesh Pawar for his being a certified Autodesk 3ds Max 2014 professional. Professor Paresh Chaudhary's papers called Signage Design and the Cultural Semiotic Coherence, presented at the University Center, Chicago, USA in 2014. Assistant Professor Arup Dwivedi for his short film titled I, mentions in July at International Short Film Festival, Bangalore, Golden Orchid International Animation Festival, Pennsylvania in September 14, Life, Death and Zombie Film Festival at Portland. He also has won the Jury Choice Award at the International Anime Day Award, October 2014. Next is Mr. Kaptan Singh, our sports and physical instructor, for winning a gold medal, certificate and trophy for securing a first position at the triathlon event, was selected to participate in nationals, which is an incredible feat. Article titled An Effective Thesis was published in Design Matrix magazine, contributed by Associate Professor Amit Deshmukh. Assistant Professor Anirban Chaudhary received the Young Scientist Award at the Physiological Society of India for a published research work in the field of ergonomics and usability engineering. Dr. Debayan Dhar published a paper called A Cross-Cultural Study of Navigational Mechanism in Computer-Based Assessments Environment. Professor Sanjay Jain conducted a 3-day workshop on nature-inspired design at Edinburgh Napier University in United Kingdom. Myself, for being invited by George Brown University and Institute Without Boundaries as an advisor and a mentor for International Charrette, titled Our City Within a Park, to design a social infrastructure for the city of Toronto and its urban ravines. In Mexico, at Universidad Iberoamericana, I made a presentation on responsible design. Now, about workshops, we had one workshop with Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore, visited our campus for 3 days from 24th September to 26th September on user research-based technologies. Our students Manali Panchal and Nikisha Kotwal won bronze medal in 18th National Challenger Sprint Rowing Championship. They were also selected for the national games in the rowing event at Kerala in February 2015. Pranani Linge, Uttara Ghodke and Viraj Joshi awarded the Toshiyuki Award at the Kimono exhibition in October 2014 in Japan. Aparna Gokhale awarded second position in the category of AGBIO, Environment and Energy, in the poster competition in November 2014 at HICC Hyderabad. Viraj Joshi and Pranani Linge winners in the retail space category, Locus Design Contest in 2014 November. Followed by Rajiv Dave and Stuti Majumdar. Work titled Pause, a timepiece that redefines the perception of time telling, won them the Lexus International Design Award at Milan, Italy. Ankur Sahai and Sibyasachi Kulia declared winners of the kitchen design contest for the design on coconut water holder. The same product named Kokwa, a packaging design for coconut water, got through semi-finals to win favoritedesign.com award at Adobe Design 2014 in California, USA. Ankur Sahai, Dheeraj Chugh and Varun Chand winners in the open kitchen category of the KitchenX Design Contest 2014 organized by Indian Kitchen Design Congress. Vinita Jakal, a bronze winner at the Designomics Award December 2014. Simple Solution, an asthma awareness film directed by Pranjali Upadhyay, received the second best award in Free Breathe competition conducted by Chest Research Foundation. A short film, Kundali, directed by Himalay Dave, has been selected for prestigious 3rd National Student Film Award Festival in Pune in the above 10 minutes fiction category. And he was interviewed by NDTV Prime featuring Nagesh Kukunur, rated as one of the best short film by Pocket Films Distribution Channel. Setu, a short film directed by Krutika, selected for the 3rd National Student Festival Award. Mansahar, a documentary film directed by Gaurav Joshi, selected for Smita Patil Foundation and Pune Short Film Festival. Shreya Sood to win the Park L Decor Student Contest in the furniture category in February 2015 for her work titled Newie, a newspaper holder. Prachi Karkun presented a paper titled Usability and Cognitive Interferences in Technology Adoption for Elderly, a critical review of literature in human-computer interface context at IIT Guwahati, co-authored by Dr. Debayan Dhar and Assistant Professor Anirban Chaudhary. Pooja Dholakia, first prize for BOC Mark visiting cards and letterheads at the Pune Design Festival in graphic design category. Amit Nanda and Varsha Gupta, winners of A Design Award, Italy, for Motley Color references application in the interface and interaction design category. Nikita Chandekar, awarded for touch-free life care patient monitoring system by the A Design Award, Italy, in the medical device category. Nupura Kirloskar and Jhanvi Joshi, awarded the Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award in 2015, socially relevant technological innovation category at the Festival of Innovation at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi for their innovation solution for hearing impaired dancers. Bhakti Hemdev, Pooja Dholakia and Anjali D'Souza for having won awards for brand design, packaging design and UI design at the Communication Arts Guild Awards held in Mumbai. Paper presented by our student Kaveri Sharma, Anundya Marathe, Ranjit Vaikar, titled Effect of Typeface Characteristics on Students' Performance in Design Aptitude Test at Typo Day, IIT Powai, Mumbai. Mileha Soneji, one of our alumni in 2012, batch winner of the TEDx Delft Award, Netherlands, for her work to make life easier for those suffering from Parkinson's disease. One of our alumni, Nikita Prabhudesai, short animation, The Mailbox, was picked up by BFI, which is British Film Institute, in their Future Film Festival. This film is the only Indian entry in the animation category for the festival. So a big round of applause for everyone who was listed here.
The very message and the words of wisdom spoken by the great noble son of India, Swami Vivekananda, that we are the firm believers of his words that union of science and religion / spirituality alone will bring harmony and peace to mankind. And he also gave a definition of that very word religion. about which the whole world speaks in a different form nowadays. But he said, friends, remember, religion is nothing but to perform your duty. And he said, duty towards your mother, duty towards your father, the family, the society, the nation, and the whole world.
We request Dr. Vishwanath T. Karad to present the certificates to the undergraduate communication design students. Film and video design, Himalay Dave. Ravi Vazirani, Renu Pandharkar, Viraj More. Undergraduate graphic design, Ashika Shah, Anay Patil, Ankita Deshpande, Anuja Jog, Arjun Arun Kumar, Arushi Prasad, Bhagishri Tamboli, Bharat Srivastav, Disha Shah, Divya Jindal, Isha Keskar, Fatima Raja, Harish Bhagwani, Ishani Inamdar, Kareena Amonkar, Keuri Tatu, Kritika Shroff, Mandeep Singh, Meru Seth, Prachi Khibansara, Ritika Bora, Sanjana Iyer, Shantanu Arya, Shiva Tiwari, Swapna Joshi, Tirtha Gandhi, Tushar Ghai, Uttara Chandrasekhar, Vidhi Trivedi, Vivek Dwivedi, Zoya Azar, Akhil Sehgal, the MIT ID Twinning Program, Ravina Chavan, Shivangi Garg.
We would now like to request Professor Sanjay Dande to present the certificates to the undergraduate students of the industrial design. Archita Agarwal, Ishan Upadhyay, Ritu Dadhanya, Shripal Shah, the undergraduate students of product design, Abhishek Soni, Aishwarya Mane, Ankita Bhandari, Purva Joshi, Ayush Ved, Janak Ghalsasi, Janvi Joshi, Kabir Singh, Vishali Kapadia, Khyati Shukla, Krishna Khatri, Lesha Jain, Merrick Fernandez, Mohit Singhvi, Naren Ramanujam, Neha Karve, Nupura Kirloskar, Palak Dudani, Kareem Sangvi, Pranali Linge, Pratiksha Palod, Renuka Palnitkar, Ruhi Ganatra, Shraddha Ades, Shruti Gupta, Neha Andhale, Tushar Kaladharan, Uttara Godke, Viraj Joshi, Zohra Mastin, the undergraduate students of retail and exhibition design, Bansiri Boda, Bonita Roy, Insya Pithavala, Khyati Seth, Nakia Hedari, Neha Mendhani, the undergraduate students of transport design, Akshay Kamthe, Ishan Jain, Rachit Bhandari, Sahil Thakkar, Shrikant Kanchanadam, Tejas Rasam, Vikrant Kedekar. We would now request Professor P.B. Joshi to hand over the certificates to the students of postgraduate communication design. Anshu Mohaleji, Jitin Kullan, माधव त्रिवेदी, मानसी चौकसी, नेहा मिस्त्री, प्रतीक धमापुरकर, प्रियंका तंपी, स्तुति मजूमदार. Postgraduate students of the film and video design, Rupak Biswas. Postgraduate students of graphic design, Amit Nanda, Aniruddha Kulkarni, Ankit Awasthi, Anureep Kaur, Chinmay Dumre, Divya Bhargava, Mansi Shrotri, Manish Patil, Mitali Mehta, Neha Bhalerao, Nidhi Parjure, Nupur Adholia, Paul Mendonca, Ravikant Joshi, Sandhya Karmani, Sanyukta Rastogi, Shana Paulos, Snehal Chaudhary, Varsha Gupta, Vinita Thakal, Yamini Gupta.
Postgraduate Interior Space and Furniture Design, Ayushi Arora, Chandni Bhanarkar, Karishma Dhamecha, Kavina Pandya, Sneha Ji, Alok Dekhane. Postgraduate Product Design students, Abhay Dadarkar, Amesh RN, Ameya Jadhav, Anand Nagarajan, Anukrit Verma, Aparna Gokhale, Ashwini Lahane, Avni Jain, Bhuvan Khursija, Manik H, Manushi Dave, Mihir Gurjar, Neha Katkar, Nidhi Srinivas, Nikhil Pimple, Nikita Chandekar, Niranjan Kudrimoti, Prachi Dikshit, Rajiv Dave, Rakesh Sambat, Saket Gaikwad, Sameer Desai, Shyamal Bhatt, Suhani Mittal, Vinamra Shetkar, Vivek Sagale, Aishwarya Nimbulkar. Postgraduate Retail and Exhibition Design, Priyanka Borkar, Stuti Anand, Zinisha Merchant. Postgraduate Transportation Design, Atif Sheikh, Aditya Varale, Alok Vishwakarma, Dipankar Gautam, Dhruv Lakpatia, Gaurav Deshpande, Rakesh Rathore, Sudhanshu Kunjal, Tilbin Vadakumcheri, Viraj Joshi, Product Design, Tejas Rasam, Transportation Design, Shripal Shah, Interior Space and Furniture Design, Khyati Seth, Retail and Exhibition Design, Tushar Ghai, Graphic Design, Himalay Dave, Film and Video Design,
Rajiv Dave, product design. Atif Sheikh, transportation design. Karishma Damesha, interior space and furniture design. Stuti Anand, retail and exhibition design. Vitali Mehta, graphic design. Stuti Mazumdar, animation design.
Dear graduates, you are stepping out of one school, but you are entering into another school, which is called as the life. The most important part that I have understood in my life, which I also would like to share with you, is that please don't box yourself into a specialization. Unfortunately, for some reason, we give you the degrees and we tell somebody in the transportation design, somebody into the industrial design, somebody into graphics design. But believe it or not, life is not compartmentalized. You are a designer, you are a designer, and you are a designer. I would say, finally, that design is not a degree, design is not a diploma, design is a spirit. Unless you have the spirit in you, you will not be a successful designer. Friends, I think you have all the ingredients to become a successful designer. I wish you a very successful and a very happy professional and personal journey ahead.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे भाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषेण जजावे पसाय जे खडांचे व्यंकटेशांडो तया सत्करी रतिवाढ भूता परस्परे